Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your workspace and connecting the bot. Log into Quotex, confirm account verification and funding, then enable API access in settings. Once done, generate an API key and secret and store them in a secure vault. Do not paste keys into public notes. You'll want to test on demo first to confirm credentials work. Make sure to note platform rate limits and minimum trade size so the bot's request cadence matches Quotex rules and avoids throttling. Now configure the bot's core strategy parameters so execution is precise. Select the chart timeframe and define clear entry and exit conditions, including stop loss and take profit levels. Next, choose indicators such as EMA or RSI and map how they influence entries. Once done, set risk per trade as a percentage of balance, order types, lot sizing, and maximum concurrent trades. Make sure to enable detailed logging and a sandbox or demo mode. For initial dry runs, you're ready to deploy. Start on demo, then migrate to live with minimal trade sizes and progressively scale. While running, monitor performance metrics and logs closely. Watch for connection drops, execution slippage, and unexpected P and L swings. Make sure alerts are active so you catch failures early. If something goes wrong, stop trading immediately, revert to the previous stable configuration, check API rate limits and authentication, and review detailed logs to isolate the error before resuming. Maintain a rollback plan at all times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.